na social media na-eri unu mugu ihe wetara unu tawo adị ama enwe ndị na-eti Labour Party or nothing anyị ga-atụ vootu ahụ n'ịntanet anyị ga-apụta na each polling unit niile nọ na Abia State wepụta voters card tụọ vootu abụrụ ego onwe ya ndị bụbu ya niile ma ndị gịrịdaị niile anyị na-eme ka ha mara na adị ama iburukwa gịrịdaị bịa Labour Party nwere ihe a na-akpọ gịrịdaị izi na ọwa ego onwe ya ị hụrụ nke ikpeazụ a ahụ Chineke emeela ebere onye ikpeazụ emechala wụrụ onye ikpeazụ ihe nọzi na moving front anyị anọzikwa mmadụ ịbịakọchiwa onye ntị ile anya gị hụ na ọnwa isizi ebe a gị bata ebe a enwezi ihe dị ka na ị gagidere ụzọ akpọchie enwezikwa another escape route arụchala niile wa escape route nọ na aba nke ọbụla ọhụrụ na-abụbe anọ under construction and a na-arụ ya 247 ọwụ ka arụgide hapụrụ ya ofu katapila gbafuo asị gị na a na-ete n'udu mmiri ka eji arụ ụzọ Chineke emeela na rijim Alex Otti ka abụọ bịara wepụta na ma mmiri ọ na-eso ma anwụ ọ na-acha gọọmenti chọrọ ịrụ ụzọ ka support Alex Otti, in support to this government. 2027 heading to 2031. You get what the year now voters card again. Voters card I get up when you need last. I got a 1 million and Chabayanya. I have joined the Sawaba on Facebook, TikTok, and the Instagram internet war. Strength I day. Strength you get up on the internet. Where you get voters card again? Give Kwachiri, into Chaya, give Kwachiri, give this song in protect your vote. Enthusiasm, I can get for a look for one man. I will put a war with it. I will go my money, she was, she about my Sabuta Kebe, yes, I did ban, be able to be the election. Day, I got to have whether your voter's card, that your PVC is your strength to vote out anybody. You can only do that with your voter's card. And we are voting Labour Party, Alex Otti, come 2027. Keep the voter's card again, also the keep they want it. You remember Labour Party now. And when they have about e-registration. I give me a banana, banana, Yamaro. Chinemano. Village boys, Kelalo. Abba village boys, Kelalo. When this na Harbor City boys. Village, I can't whatever. What village are to work? I am. I told it before. Always yoku. What village are the man who work? What can Macario told it before? How about township who came back and Garakai with a village? Kabo. I want to bring out to one. I go talk Amahu. Who was it? Haram de do you touch you? Haram de do you touch you? Haram de do you? Haram de do you? Haram de do you touch you? Haram de do you touch you? Don't you touch you? Allah could be a quanda who see at you, and bring God or the tuna who fall away. Touch you, haram de do you. I will Kurinu. When you're blasting Otiaga Groza, Nihekaina Hubla, Yana Langua, Nanyuan why? They have us to contend with always Yoku. Always Yoku. Makaman Bamu Dikana Bakamuribi. You are the bad men. Okunu with the bad men. Thank you. Oglogo Party no come back with it.
You will never get taken up on that video in a Ketamamna, like it in. The reason you were this type of video, Kunu were making now warm up. Another win election like your brother, one win election on social media. Yes, the good works of Alex Otti is speaking for him. The good works Alex Otti need the baby patana podium mount was known as a campaign. Mana, this is his right to reassure the people of his commitment to the people. Mana, the duty of every Abia State indigent the duty of the well-meaning lovers of goodwill of Abia State. The good thing unu Alex Otti begin full commitment. Full commitment. Unu puta n'igwe toward that election I had that very day. Do not be intimidated by their police, by their SARS, by their talks, by their everything over here with them. Do not be intimidated by you. Match them aura for aura. Oha for oha, egusi for egusi. Egusi for egusi, match them on hebana. Say match one on one. At least for the first time, Abia State experience can electricity oko. Na electric bus. Na mbosaka with a video of Ndocha investors coming to develop more places. Kaya making ayalo more buses so that could contain everybody. Na good transport system Abia State in actually put in place so that every corner of Boneno to locate a bin agama fiagaro. And I begin to ask myself, Alex Otti Charlie Twe, only was ya batachi Abia State, or was a queen hoyalo. Because all Google. Google. Remember seeing award the contract who's halogia. Remember seeing a good battle oko halogia. So it is now for you now the primary gain to upgrade those things Alex Otti logo. When Alex Otti Timo to 50 or 100, but he increase another 200. He make it sure that you continue from that legacy to make sure that now instead of Alex Otti happy 50 motors. The motor man for hanya ele boya. Because my governor Meliana nearby. In Kebatano posisi yeja way does be no but actually me bafa. Because the bataza was a robber does be in Tila. Motonini negi budetina obodo. Among member does it today. Park in the modern Jezulike. I am heading at that park today when I got me Boda State Yafa. Don't over there, maybe a blue maybe one. Man, within you and I, in my ben on a neighbor I stated. So, Ibolo, a good lover of goodwill for Abia State, you meant to wear for the people of Abia State. It is time for you to display it in a battlefield. Kedebe battlefield. JJ with a permanent voters card again. And then this guy could look at that video. He brought back a memory of somebody. I wish that person can undo to today. We witness a home and Abia State. Kedonyin Nekomakia day one day. I wish no undo today. We need a free home and Abia State. Manamabia Zoiken and Dokwa. Did one day I'm also one of those people that spoke out, use the pain of the people to pass a message to the government, church, everybody church, that they don't know that this is the message that he's trying to pass. I love the fact that everybody they are mobilizing. Kuluma that an election is not one on social media. Kabota dia match here aura for aura. Musa and the APC na nimagona na mihana ana mana before na for APC I forgot the natural Alex Otti more than 1,000. Before now for APC, so they will have no option than to be swallowed up by the massive movement of Guinea transformation that is happening in Abia State. Abia, but I love what Alex Otti is doing. Yotago, Obokwana Alex Otti Abia Bolom, Sibia Bolom, let me showcase some of the good things and all the good things Alex Otti in Abia State. I am always willing to come and travel, to come and see things on myself and to showcase it to the world. And where's the house? Alex Otti Abia State in Isi. And one of the things I keep clamoring on, beefing more security. We have beef in more security. We have security akalia. Security akalia do everywhere. You know what? God the one.